Next dance in the series, although this is not the order I taught on the February 3rd workshop, but you know by name. Next dance is the Hashtayee, which means 8 steps. Hashtayee, brought by Persian Armenians to California in the 60s. First step, 18 count, left heel, hop on your left, bend your right heel. 3 touch, 4 lift, 5 touch, 6 cross. That's the first 6. Second 6, step on your right, hands go down, hop on your right. There's 3 hands come up on your left, hop on your left, 4. Here's 5, touch your right heel to the right. 6, turn to face left a little bit, bend your right heel. That's the second 6. The last 6, step right to the left with your right foot, hop on your right heel, on your right foot, your left heel comes up, touch your left heel 3, turn to the right 4, you're on your right foot, your left bend, 5, step crossover with your left foot to the right, and land down both. 6, 3 times 6, total 18. One more time, it's heel, lift, 3, 4, 5, those are all hops, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's 1 and U2, 3 and U4, 5 and U6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then we have the turning combination, which we call zap, clapping. You do the first 6, release hands and clap and hop. Switch to start again from your right to your left. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, there's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you hold fingers again on 10, so you're ready to start again. This is the clapping variation. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then switch to the Detroit, after which this song is named. So use your Detroit music, side A on number 1 band. We go. Right hop, left hop, step, step behind, cha-cha-cha, 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 step, step behind, cha-cha-cha. Now with the arms. Hands up, hands down and up. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Hands down and up and cha-cha-cha. Anytime you want to switch the first step, you must leap to your right foot and touch your left heel. You can switch any time from the first variation to the clapping variation to the Detroit at the leader's discretion. Okay? We do now with music, Detroit. Hashtayee, Detroit. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clapping, zap. Detroit. First variation. This is called Hashtayee. Zap. Zap. Detroit. Etc., etc.